Peter says, I need to find the size of the portal that composes this pittoric demon. How do you think we can estimate the area? Peter says, well, for starters, we can break this complex shape into smaller, simpler ones. A rectangle's area is merely its length multiplied by its width. Peter says, now we move on to the tricky part of the problem. How do we calculate the area beneath the curve? Peter says, let's find the equation of this curve using the position of its maximum and verify the slope by the y-intercept. Peter says, since we know how to find the area of a rectangle, we can create a variable number of them across the horizontal distance of the curve, then use the value of the equation at their left side to determine their height. Peter says, as the number of rectangles increases, this method becomes more accurate. You can adjust the precision of the answer according to the context of the problem. Leibniz says, great job.